Trailhead Ridge Park is a new park installation within the Woodland Hills Master Plan community. I thought they did a great job of bringing in elements that really work from a multi-generational perspective. So they've got areas for kids, they've got areas for families, they've got areas for nature enthusiasts, and really just kind of using the space to create this place that people want to come and spend time.
How they incorporated the various educational components throughout the space was amazing.
The theme of the park was around an armadillo, the 9-banded armadillo that's the small mammal of the state of Texas. And so they had a bunch of placards around the park with different fun facts about armadillos. And then they had a statue that was created that the kids can climb on and take pictures on. And so I thought it was a really fun way to kind of incorporate this Texas heritage into the park.
And then in addition to that, they had an elevated pavilion that helped with water runoff and really had excellent use of the topography with that space. They maintained a lot of the trees.
It is made to really provide some identity for the neighborhood, and not only this playful component for the children, but also as a walkable destination for the people that live there. It's a pretty integrated way of not only stormwater management, but just how humans occupy neighborhood and site and play in a way that seems very integrated with the natural environment.
The Vogel Creek Greenway is an adaptation of a former golf course into a combination of a trail network for the community and a detention system that's going to help solve and mitigate some of the flood control issues that Houston experiences. So it serves as a beautiful space that people can use to hike and bike, and also a transportation network for people in the community to get back and forth to other areas. I loved that it was a collaborative event among multiple different agencies, which I think as a developer is really hard. So you had the flood control district, you had the Parks Board.
They also incorporated community champions to help with not just acceptance, but adoption of the park and of the Greenway.
The Parks Board is using a certain area of the bank of the bayou to cultivate and do experiments on different types of vegetation and what will live well, what will work well, what will be most sustainable. And it's something that I have very little experience in, but I thought that was a really neat opportunity to use that and a community benefit that hopefully can be taken advantage of by others in the future.
It was really nice to see them create an experience where people can actually learn more about the environment and how the biosystems are set up within the drainage areas, and it's beautiful.